I had a revelation this morning, where a powerful man of God was telling me, "Night may endure, but joy comes in the morning." This is similar to Psalm 30 verse 5. He also said, "Raise me an altar of praises on November 11th. I knew this was God speaking to me. Dear saints, midnight prayers are a mystery. You can start from November 10th, just 30 minutes before midnight. Start by praying in the Spirit, or sing if you are not yet baptized with the Holy Spirit, and at midnight let the violent praise and worship begins. Go longer as you can. Do something good to a stranger or render help to someone in need on that day. Pray with these verses and practice them as well. Acts 16 verses 25 to 26. Matthew 11 verse 12. The year is almost over quite right. I am that I am can still show up as the God of the 11th hours to deliver us and restore us whole.